Hello everybody, good evening. My name is Noah Bollenbacher with the Weather Dogs, and I have a rather important weather forecast for you for tonight, tomorrow, as well as this weekend. Got a lot to unpack here, but here's a little brief overview of what's going on. We have some rain continuing through tonight into tomorrow, as well as a winter storm coming this weekend. I'm sure you guys are aware, which will bring some cold temperatures behind it. First though, let's look at what we're currently sitting at. Currently at 50 degrees, which is very similar to surrounding areas. See 50 in Winder, 50 Monroe, 50 in Atlanta, 50 in Tacoma, a lot of 50s, and then 46 up in the mountains. As we go into tonight, you can expect a little 44, not too much of a drastic change. That rain will keep us a little warmer than we would be, but moving into tomorrow, that rain should persist in the mornings. Once again, not too big of a jump in the high temperature. We have a high of 50 we're expecting, and those showers will continue through the morning. Speaking of that, let's look at this radar through the morning. You can see these pop-up showers just moving all across Athens, but then when we hit the afternoon, they move south and we will be free from the showers into Saturday, which is when the fun starts. We've been issued a winter storm alert, a winter storm watch, which is effective late Friday into Monday morning. And this does not at all mean that it's snow time, and just like last year when it's time, it's not gonna be fun. It's not gonna be fun because we are in the snow is the blue. The snow is all the way up here. All right, it's moves a little bit into Nashville, but we're in the pink. We're in the pink. That's freezing rain and sleet, which could be really bad. This Euro model shows us getting an inch of freezing rain. That's bad. That's bad. Put that in comparison with our GFS model. This has us getting more than an inch, 1.2 inches to be exact, and has Atlanta just under an inch. So obviously these values aren't necessarily exact. It's a model, but just to put this in perspective, so you understand the gravity. A tenth of an inch, that's enough to get black ice on the roads, which that's dangerous. You can't. It's nearly invisible. Slippery sidewalks. 0.25 inches, quarter. That's enough to see tree damage and power outages, as well as more ice on the roads. Now, half an inch, that's enough for widespread, detrimental power grid damage, which could cause widespread, prolonged power outages across, who knows? I mean, this could be bad. It could also cause infrastructure damage. I mean, this could be a disaster we're looking at. But it has not been issued yet, but obviously, with the amount of ice, we could expect a ice storm warning, which obviously in the criteria, it's only, all that's needed is 1/4 of an inch, and you saw the models is predicting an inch. So this, like I said, this could be bad. I hope everybody is taking precautions necessary. I hope you got food, supplies because we could not see this ice melt until Wednesday, because after this precipitation subsides and Monday, we have a cold, dry air mass moving in, which will keep that ice frozen until Wednesday when those temperatures reach up into the 40s again. But just look at those lows. Dear Lord, look at that 11-degree low on Monday night. It's going to be frigid, dry, and it's not going to be fun. But like I said, please be safe, stay off the roads, and just prepare for what could be bad. All right. I'm Noah Bollenbacher, and stay safe and go Dogs.